Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a video on what is Cloudways. So if you'd like to check Cloudways out, I've put the link to it in the description box below, so please do feel free to have a look. Essentially, Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting platform, so it allows you to host your websites. It is one of the world's most fastest and reliable web hosting platforms out there. So if you're someone who's looking to increase your web loading speeds, or you're starting to look for where to host your website on, then this is the platform to be. And in this video I'll show you exactly what Cloudways has to offer, so you can decide whether or not it's the right platform for you. So essentially, with the products that Cloudways offers, you can make your website on WordPress or any of the other platforms, Magneto, or WooCommerce, etc. And then you can, within less than 3 easy steps, migrate that platform onto your Cloudways, which is super easy. So you can just essentially make your website and then transfer it to Cloudways just within a few easy steps, and it takes no effort at all. It's super easy, it's super beginner friendly, it's super efficient, and you get your website done within minutes. So it's really easy to move your website once you've made it to Cloudways. There's a lot of automation within Cloudways, so it allows for a lot of fixes and bugs and updates that they do automatically. And even when you have a website with them, you really don't have to worry about the load times, because they have a lot of different back-end tools that they use to make sure that everything is up to speed without you manually doing it. In terms of the different solutions, it has so many different options for every single type of person or organization. So you have agency hosting, you have developers. So if you're someone who develops websites for different people, you can manage it within this. You can host multiple websites. So on this platform, it's super easy, as you can see. In the demonstration, you can literally manage a few different websites. So let's say you have 4 different websites for 4 different countries or 4 different brands. You can easily breeze through between them and then just get updates on them and just access them and edit them within just one platform on Cloudways. You can host e-commerce sites, there's SMB hosting, and then also if you're a blogger or a publisher, you can host and you can get lightning fast speed. As you can see, someone reviewed the Cloudways platform as being fast loading speed. So you basically get a lot out of it in terms of the speed. So that's something that really helps your popularity on Google. So if you want to be ranked higher, the better speed that you have, the better loading times, the more accessibility, the better your website is going to do, which is why Pangolia's CEO said that they had increased from 3 million to 9 million views just within a year, which is crazy if you ask me. They have so many different features. So from 24/7 support, 365 days of the year, to ease of use, one-click hosting solution with 0 complexities, security. So they have the most secure platform. They have different levels of ironclad just installed so that you don't have to worry about your data. They keep releasing new features for performance. So they have vulnerability scanners. So you can literally just with one click do a whole scan of your website to see how vulnerable it is or how well it's performing. So really it has everything within this platform, which makes it the go-to tool or web hosting place for any of your websites. In terms of performance, it has one of the best performances because it has built-in advanced cache and CDN. So basically you don't have to worry about any of the updates because it does it automatically. You never have to close down your website for 1 day of maintenance. It does it for you automatically without any disruptions. Super simple and flexible. As you can see, you can just click and edit and access whatever it is that you're trying to look for. There is built-in reliability, so you get 24/7 support, world-class server security, and you can access any of the people throughout. There's 365 days in a year, and that's what has helped a lot of people grow from 3 million to 9 million in a year. So their readership has really increased. Basically, you get all of that in terms of features for half the cost. Now you're probably thinking, oh wow, this platform's probably going to be like $50-$60 a month. They're going to rip you off because they have so many different features. But if I actually take you to their pricing, you're going to be surprised because they have so much of a discounted price in terms of the value they offer that you'll be surprised that they are even charging that amount. So I'm going to go over to the pricing. And as you can see, they have such flexible pricing plans. So with premium, obviously, you have to pay $14 minimum a month, and that's for bigger companies that are trying to grow. But with the standard, so let's say you're just starting up, you just have to pay $11 a month for obviously 1 GB RAM, 1 core processor, 25 GB storage, and 1 TB bandwidth, which is still a lot. And then you get a list of different features on all the plans that come with it. So that's highlighted in purple on the left-hand side. There's so many different things. There's dedicated firewalls, team management, migration for free SSL, support, automated backups, staging environment, optimized cache. So there's a lot basically that you can get from here without doing anything. So if you were to host your website on Cloudways, you'd be paying $11 a month, which is less than, I'm guessing, like 2 cups of coffee that you'd buy outside. You can also pick between the different cloud providers. So if you're a bigger company, you would probably want to go with AWS, but obviously the charges increase with the different kind of cloud provider that you go with. I would recommend DigitalOcean just because, one, it is the cheapest, and two, it is the one that Cloudways has created themselves. So that is part of Cloudways. If you want a bigger, the more you grow, the more you'd have to probably change to AWS because it's a little bit more suited to bigger companies with more accessibility or more dedicated needs. And then you have the Google Cloud, which is obviously in the middle. So if you're growing at a consistent rate, then you probably want to consider moving over to Google Cloud. And then obviously you have people that are just more comfortable with Google Cloud, so you can just opt for that. But if you just want to save your money, then you could start with the DigitalOceans, which is the cheapest and also the Cloudways ultimate platform. So those are the 3 different clouds hosts that are available within the Cloudways platform. So you just have to pick which one you like, and then based on that you'll have to check out and pay for that amount monthly. Now you can go lower depending, you can scroll lower depending on what your needs are in terms of storage, so bandwidth, whatever. If you want to increase that, then obviously the costs increase as well. So that just depends on your usage monthly or yearly. So based on that, you'll have to probably do a check on your current website, or if you don't have one, on how much you anticipate to be using the platform for. And you can check with their online support which would be the best one for you as well, so they can give you a better idea on which one to opt for depending on the size, the traffic of your company. So that's pretty much it for the pricing. There's so much that this platform offers in terms of their accessibility, their questions. They have like a 90-second respond time, I believe. And then if you compare Cloudways to other platforms, so other shared hosting or infrastructure or managed hosting platforms, like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Doe, KinstaWP, Engine, you can see that Cloudways offers more flexibility, reliability, performance, ease of use, different types of automation, all of that within the platform, and security more than any of the other platforms. So as you can see, there's a lot of crosses on the other platforms, but Cloudways does not have that. So it is a pretty amazing platform if you're trying to set up or get a really speedy web host provider for a really low cost. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please make sure you like, share, subscribe, follow for more. And I've put the link to Cloudways in the description box below. So if you'd like to check it out, please do feel free to do so. And then also let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. And if you have any questions, I'd be more than happy to answer them. Take care. Bye.